Hello guys, it's Kroger Lemon Pepper, and today I'm going to be making an omelet. So let's begin. So the first thing that we need are eggs. I like to use these cage-free eggs from Kirkland. There are 24 of them. So use those eggs. So now that we have our eggs, we need our spices. I like to use some Lawry seasoning salt. It's always something good to give it some flavor. Some lemon pepper. Some Parsley Flakes, some granulated California garlic, some salt, some pepper, and for our pan we need some canola cooking spray is what I use, but you can use butter too. So first thing that we need to do is we need to crack our eggs. Okay, so here are our cracked eggs. Let's bring them back over here. So we need to, it doesn't really matter how you add the spices, but I'm going to add them like this. Some Lawry seasoning salt. Here you go. First, and this stuff is like really strong, so like the phrase, like the saying goes, a little goes a long way. So and that should be about enough, because like I said, a little goes a long way. So now I'm gonna put in some McCormick's Parsley Flakes, not Parsley Flakes, Parsley Flakes, like that. And then I'm going to put some granulated California garlic in there. Okay. And we need, for the spiciness and stuff, I'm going to put some lemon pepper. You can do regular pepper. You don't need both, but I'm going to use lemon pepper. Again, a little bit goes a long way. And then we have just our salt. Just a little bit of salt. So now that we have that, we need to mix it. Make sure you mix it really good, because unless you want to have one of these egg white things that they have where it's like, where the egg is leaking out, you need to mix it really good. So I like to watch out for these things called salt balls. What they do is like seasoning balls, and like they form, and it's like all the seasoning stuff is formed like into one ball. It doesn't really disperse and spread out. So that's that. So make sure you really stir it up good, so that way it's really mixed. So now that we have that, we're gonna add 3 more ingredients. So first we're gonna add some real bacon bits. This, I really have a few, but you wanna add some real bacon bits. So we're gonna add on these bacon bits, just kind of move them around. Next thing we're gonna add is we're gonna have some cheese. Like I use this kind of cheese. So I'm gonna have some of that, and I say the cheesier it is, the better it is. So we're gonna add on some cheese. Always something good to have in an omelet, make cheesy. And then I'm gonna put some turkey in there because I like turkey, and it actually tastes really good when you put it this there. So now that we have that, I'm just gonna do another slight stir just to get it all mixed up, everything. So that should taste good. So now we're gonna come over here. I've already done this, but we're gonna come over here. So we're gonna put our thing at about a little bit below high. So put some spraying oil in it. So that's done. So now we need to go ahead and come here. We need to take our fork out. Throw on the napkin. We need to come over here, and we need to start to just ever so carefully, just pour it in. That sounds annoying. So I like to use, since I want to like really get like that, that even kind of like flip, I use this kind of spatula because I use the Y-face one. Not that, so we can just let that cook 50 seconds, to make sure that we can, when we flip it, it's going to be solid. Okay, solid. So you have your omelet, and you just want to like keep flipping it over and over again, and try not to just keep flipping it over and over, and you just like try to let it cook until it gets like this golden brown color. That's what I do. Just let it cook and everything. and really just let it get to that golden brown color. So you might want to turn the heat down to like off. So there we have it. We have our finished omelet. It looks really good. So here's our finished omelet. You know, it looks really good actually. So, you know, if you have some brown spot, that's alright. It just means that it may have been cooked a little bit too high. That's alright. You know, if you like it crispy, which I kind of do, it's good. So we're going to be rating it with 1 being if it's all the way cooked, 2 being if it tastes good, like if I had everything in, and 3 being if it looks good. So you can list your comments below. If you think it tastes good, like if you make your own, and if you make your own, then rate it in the comments if it looks good, if it tastes good, if it's all the way cooked. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.